Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all a product that was sent to me by the company NEWAIR. This is an evaporative air cooler. Let's hope I'm saying that right. And we're going to do an unboxing. This comes with a remote control. It has an eco-friendly cooling pad, a large water tank, and a 3-fan speeds. It has cyclone circulation cooling, removable 1.8 quart water tank, a remote, and a 7.5 hour timer. So this thing here uses as much energy as a light bulb and costs 75% less to run than central AC. It relies on a natural cooling process and doesn't use any harmful cooling chemicals. Its simple, hassle-free installation allows you to plug and play right out of the box. So, if you are in love with summer but you hate how dry your skin gets and how excessive the heat is, the NEWAIR Evaporative Air Cooler uses a natural process of evaporative cooling to powerfully cool places in extremely dry desert-like climates, which that is not really my climate. We are very humid here, but still, I think it's going to be good because as of right now, it is 95 degrees. My air conditioner over here is running like crazy to keep up. It's actually at 74, which is good. Yesterday, our air got up to 78 before it actually started cooling off. So I wanted to unbox this and try this out with y'all. Okay, we're gonna start out first with these, which y'all will find out in a little bit what they are. Okay, just to start out, we just opened it up. It has wheels here, which you can also lock or unlock. I can see here the water tank, which tells you how far or how low you can fill it. And here the back is. There's the water tank and the cord. The water tank, there's probably, I'll just have to read and find out for sure, but I just wanted to give y'all like a quick overview here. On the top, where we have the on, speed, cooler, humidifier, a mode, timer, swing, and off. So, I'm about to get into this book here so I can find out exactly what I need to do so I can let y'all know. Okay, y'all, these are ice packs. You do not have to use these, but they say that they will enhance, of course, the coolness that you will receive. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in my freezer and let them freeze, but we're going to try it out first without the ice packs, and then later on in the day, I will put these ice packs in and let y'all know the difference that we feel. Okay, y'all, to remove this water tank, there is a little knob right here. I'm going to zoom in for y'all and show you. This little knob here, you just turn it down, and now this should just slide right on out of here. Now, inside of here, this is how it looks. There is a piece of tape here. I'm going to read and let y'all know what it says to do. Okay, so here is the inside of the tank, and there is this little piece of foam stuff. I really don't know what it is. Unless I overlooked what it said, I don't know. If you're going to use the ice packs, okay, sorry, if you're going to use the ice pack, it fits in. Okay, for the ice pack, it says you just place it into one of these chambers. Actually, now that I'm looking closer, y'all, you can see the picture, so it would lay flat down in there. Oh, and then over here, this will tell us the max amount and the minimum amount of water that needs to be in there. So I'm gonna go and fill this up. Okay, y'all, I've got it filled up, and as you can see, the max fill, I'm almost to the max fill line. So now we're going to go ahead and put this back in here. So it'll just slide in. Oh yeah, kind of push a little hard, a little water. And then you're going to turn that knob back up to 90 degrees. And now I'm going to move this over into the living room area where I have a plug-in, and we're going to plug this in really quickly. While we're here, I'm going to look at this. This here is like an air filter. We're going to take that off, and then you just yeah, like that to remove it. And then here is the air filter. Place that back in there. Okay, now for cleaning the dust filter and cooling pad, you'll just remove it. Remove the back of it. It tells you how to do that in the little book. And when you take the filter off, you can use a diluted vinegar solution to wash the pad. If necessary, you can immerse the pad in the diluted vinegar solution for 30 seconds to remove hard water buildup. Just be sure to rinse the pad thoroughly with clear water to remove the vinegar residue. It says allow the filter and the cooling pad to air dry completely before putting it back into the unit. And to clean the water tank, basically just take it out, clean it with warm water and a light detergent solution, rinse it, allow it to dry. Now there is a water pump maintenance. If there's a hard water buildup, I guess you can go in there and clean all of that out, but I'm not real familiar. Let's see. Okay, if there's hard water buildup in the water's cooler's water pump, it says to use a calcium and lime cleaning product such as CLR at least once a season, and you'll put that into the water tank and close it. Ensure that the water pump is lowered into the tank and full of cleaner. Allow the pump to soak for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove it. And which it does, like I said, it gives all of this explanation in here. I won't be able to demonstrate that because it's brand new and it doesn't need to be cleaned. But we are going to go and plug this in and mess with some of the different modes, and I'll let you know how all of that works. Okay, y'all, I have it plugged in now, and so we're going to play around with some of the controls. I'm going to bring y'all over here real quick. Okay, here we are. We're going to turn this thing on. Ooh, and there it is. It's blowing. Right now it's on the low. I'm going to look at this cooler humidifier button. After you get, okay, we're going to decide what speed. So that'd be medium, high. I'm going to do medium for now. Now we go up here to this cooler humidifier button. Let me see what the book says about that. This powers the water pump and cools the hour and adds moisture to your air at the same time. Just press this and you will see down here there is a blue little dot, or little, not dot, a little snowflake thing. Please note that if the initial fan speed is set to 3, the unit will revert back to the second speed setting for 5 minutes. And you can also do up here modes. You can change from what they call a natural mode. It has a palm tree, and this will adjust the airflow speed between low, medium, and high. There's also a sleep mode. If we press that, this will lower the fan speed at different intervals depending on the selected fan speed. So depending on if this fan is set to a 3, the cooler will run for 30 minutes on high speed, 30 minutes on medium speed, and then continue to operate on low speed. So that's another. You can also set up, there's a timer button up here, so if we want to have a timer to have it shut off at a certain time. Swing button. you can also have it isolate. Okay, let's see what this does. I'm gonna take off this mode, hold on. And so, anyways, we're gonna do, what does the swing button do? Oh, look, the swing button makes this thing kind of spin. I don't know if you can see very well. Yeah, it will, the fan head will automatically isolate counterclockwise, which directs cool air into a cyclone for a more focused cooling effect. So if you wanted to kind of have it focused in one area, I guess. So, and then of course, there's the off button. So for now, I'm gonna turn this on. I'm just gonna turn the swing thing off and just let it kind of blow.
I thought it was a mister.
No, it doesn't mist. Courtney thinks it missed. And with the, you can do all of the same things here on this remote. Get it to focus on here. It has the timer, the swing, the cooler humidifier, the mode. Everything can be done from this also. So, I think this thing is really cool. It's not heavy, and you can lock the wheels down here. So once I get it set where I want it, I can lock it so that no one can scoot it around. And yeah, I'm gonna let this run for a while. We'll let you know what we think, and then a little bit later I will come back and I'm gonna put in the ice pack and we'll see how that does.
And it's good for the summer.
Yes, because it's hot right now, right? This is my cousin's little girl, Kinley. So we are going to try to enjoy this, and yeah. Okay, y'all. The video on this is not really clear, but I put the ice pack in and was checking it, and you could feel a difference. But I wanted to let y'all know that I have been using this the past week in our bedroom. And actually, my husband has a lot of problems with allergies, and since we have started using this, he is not waking up with a stuffy nose like he used to have. So we really like this, and so if you're looking for a good fan, especially one that puts out cool, moist air, I really recommend this. I'll have everything linked down in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching.